Hi and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to switch to professional account on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app and then click on your profile. Here you will see these three lines on the right top corner. Click on it. Now you have to scroll down and there you will see account type and tools. Click on account type and tools. Here you have to click on switch to professional account. Continue. Just click continue and continue. Here you just have to select any category that you want, so I just have selected as an artist. Here you have to choose, do you have a business or are you a creator? So I have just selected as a creator. Now just click on continue. Here you have to complete these 8 steps. After completing these 8 steps, your professional account profile has been completed, and you can also see your professional dashboard here now. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.